Okay, so as a new father, a registered dietitian, and CLE, here are a few tips and tricks for new dads that can help support the mother or the woman. So first off, you can just do dishes, cook for her, allow her as much time as she can to rest and recover from delivery. And if she is breastfeeding or pumping, just washing the pumps, storing the milk, feeding the baby, as well as watching the baby overnight so that she can get as much rest as possible to recover. And then, of course, other than that, even if she is breastfeeding or pumping, you can be there to support her as well. You can always be there to support her and help hold the baby so that she don't have to use so much energy to try to position the newborn.